this video, my friends, I'm gonna be talking about how we built a CRM platform in 3 days with no code tools. So I'm gonna be breaking down the process that we use step by step, talking about the tools. And by the way, the only reason we built this platform was to teach our students the tools that we use to do it. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Startup Studio. I'm Christian, co-founder at We Are No Code. We teach people how to launch their businesses leveraging no-code tools. And make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want tips and tricks on startups, no-code, and even AI. Now, as I mentioned, this is a CRM platform, also known as Customer Relationship Management Platform. This specific one is all about tracking deals and managing those deals so that we can increase sales and have more visibility, assign employees to those deals, and know at what stage we're at. Now, for those of you who have no idea what no-code is, it's a set of tools, drag and drop builders that allow you to build software without having to learn how to code. It's basically visual programming. You can build all sorts of apps, websites, mobile apps, etc. And just in case you think this was built by an entire team on our end, it wasn't. It was built by this guy, Kaio, my partner. And the first step was for him to start thinking about some of the fundamentals. What are the pages that we need? What is this gonna look like? What is the kind of data that we need to collect? How are we gonna display that? And what does the overall user experience actually look like? For this, he used a platform called Miro, which is very simple, and another platform called Figma for some of the design elements. Now, step one was mapping some of these basic things out. So identifying what were the pages. Okay, we need a home page. We're gonna need a dashboard. We're gonna need a sign up page. We're gonna need a login page. After that, he had to think of what is the basic navigation? Where do things lead? What is kind of the flow? If you click on a specific button, where is it gonna take us? And this is quite a simple process that you can do. You can even just use pen and paper to do it. And it doesn't have to be completely perfect. Now, number two was to source or to create some very basic designs, right? We're gonna need things like a basic logo. We're gonna need things like illustrations, icons, photography. For this, we used Undraw for the illustrations. This is a free website that you can use to get and download. The logo was created by Kaio, but you can easily find a $20 logo on Fiverr, for example. And then if you need photography, you can go on websites like Pexels. In Kaio's case, he used a little bit of Figma because he also knows how to do a bit of design. Number three was to determine the database structure. What do we mean by that? Well, we had information about specific deals. We had information about specific users or employees. We had information about employers, or we had to have a view that was for employers. And each one of those had different data points, right? So name, email address, age. For the deals, for example, you needed how much is that deal worth? How far along is that deal? Who's the employee responsible of that deal? So really just determining the data points that we would need to then build the database. And now Kaio was ready to start building. Now the tools used to build this were Softr to build the user interface and Airtable as the database. These tools connect seamlessly to each other and they interact and are completely synchronized with each other. Now at We Are No Code, what we love about Softr is that it's relatively easy to learn. You can build pretty amazing web apps quite quickly. It's well adapted for people who are total beginners, but also for people who are a little bit more intermediate. And once you master it, you can build very quickly. Now again, the reason why we built this whole CRM was to teach people Softr and Airtable and how to work both of those together to build powerful web apps. So if you want to check out that course, you can see it below, and it'll teach you all the foundational elements and finishes with a project built from scratch to finish. Okay, now back to the build. The next step was to actually build out the database. So we had a structure, we knew the different data points. Now we had to create kind of these Excel spreadsheets for each one of these bases. So in Airtable, they're called bases. And so we created one for users, we created another one for deals, and then we created one for the dashboard as well. And then we went into Softr and built the entire user interface, sort of the designs, all the individual pages. And then we synced that with Airtable so that the designs now could use the data. And as the data changed, it would also reflect on the design front. And then there were different user experiences where users could create deals, they could adapt and update deals. Those deals could be assigned to employees. And there was a dashboard experience to be able to track all of that as an admin. By the way, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. It helps us continue to do what we do for you. Now, once Softr and Airtable was connected, all we had to do was to test the different pages, make sure that everything was working right, attach it to the domain, and launch. And that's how we built a software platform in just 3 days with no code tools. And if you want to learn how to build your startup as a non-technical entrepreneur, check us out, join our programs, stop overthinking, and start launching your next startup. Let's go.